Hey everyone, welcome to Atlantic Station in downtown Stamford. This is a brand new property. We're going to take you on a tour in about 2 seconds, but before I do, I just want to explain to you that this is a really unique property for Compass Furnished Apartments. We've partnered directly with the developer to take an entire floor here, which is great for our clients who are moving multiple people, keeps them all together. What a great community feel. We can do flexible stays here, anywhere from 2 weeks to 1 year. How awesome is that? Such a great hotel alternative. I think you'll be really impressed with the apartment. Take a look at all the beautiful furnishings.